Rollo was one of the biggest dope slingers the city had ever seen since Big Meech and the Black Mafia family, or BMF, terrorized the streets of Atlanta in the early noughties. And Rollo's dope dealing turf, where he would make his millions, would be a rundown, drug-infested block called the Bluff. Now, the Bluff has been described in numerous articles and reports over the years as an open-air heroin market, with descriptions of the Bluff painting a truly shocking scene of a neighborhood gripped by addiction, where drug dealers would literally chase traffic and fight over who gets to serve the latest junkies. And unsurprisingly, the properties in the Bluff are so undesirable, you can snap up a local bando for a bargain $10,000. So, a young Rollo came up in the Bluff, and as a result, unsurprisingly, he was frequently in trouble with the law. Apparently, he started his drug dealing career as a teenager, being sent to juvenile jail dozens of times before even becoming an adult.
When I was young,